Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by joining an only way match and selecting a fast loadout so you can move first. Once in, sprint from spawn and equip any movement boost item to shave seconds off travel. Make sure to leave through the north exit and follow the stone path past 2 lampposts. This gets you off the crowded center and into the less traveled approach. By starting this way, you avoid early combat and arrive prepared for the route ahead. Keep moving and watch map markers for the next turn. Once done with the initial path, turn left at the bakery into a narrow alley that hides the mid-route. You must dodge 3 obstacle crates spaced unevenly. Time the rotating platform, pause, and wait 1 full rotation so your jump lands on the stable side. Make use of jump sprint combos to clear the short gaps and maintain momentum. This prevents getting knocked back into combat. Keep your camera steady on ahead so you can anticipate the next platform. You finish by reaching the final gate and interacting with the blue panel to activate the arena portal. This is the only trigger that opens the Brickbattle entrance. Cross the courtyard without detouring, ignore side pockets, and head straight for the brick archway where the portal appears. If the gate fails to open or you get blocked by players, reset to spawn and replay the mid-sequence quickly. This clears persistent blockers and gives you a clean run back to the same trigger point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.